In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do this easy, colorful sprinkles design that's perfect for the summer or a birthday party. To start off, after base coat, I'll be applying this Seafoam green polish, and this one is kind of sheer, so I did do about 3 coats and I let it dry. To make the confetti sprinkles, I'll be using a short bristled detail brush and assorted acrylic paint. Then I just added dashes of each color to the nail, trying to space them out evenly. Using a short bristled brush like this makes this a lot easier because the brush is already in the shape you want the sprinkles to be. To make the pattern more seamless, paint some sprinkles continuing off the nail. And you can totally swap out any of these colors for any other ones that you'd like. I think this design looks super cute with a matte finish, but feel free to apply a shiny top coat if you prefer. If you give this look a try, share a picture with me on my social medias because I'd love to see it. And if you'd like to watch more simple but cute nail design tutorials, you can just click on your screen here.